Hey guys, so this is Ujjwal Kumar Sen and you're watching Ujjwal Kumar Sen English YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to start preparation for SSC JEE 2020. Uh, Even you are a beginner, even you are somewhere stucking or you are not able to crack the exam, right? Like SSC JEE or any other examination. So this video will be dedicated to you guys so that you can easily crack the examination. Nevertheless, let me tell you, my dear, we are providing test series also. That's not all. With most affordable price. As I'm creating this video, this price is valid. I will tell you in details later on. But I will tell you some secret sauce. Those usually people make mistake while preparing examination for like SSC JEE only. Why? I will tell you. So let's move on to the my dear, to my slides so that you can easily understand what I'm trying to make you understand. So right now I'm on this slide. I hope so you can see it, right? Okay. So let me tell you, my dear, preparation tips and tricks. What I'm going to share with you, it is from my around 8-9 years of experience, right? So let's move on to the slide. That slide. Okay. Let me just make it a little bit bigger so then easily understand, right? So first of all, what you have to do, my dear, if you are a beginner, you need to get syllabus. Now, what people are making mistake here, they download the syllabus in their phone or in their laptop and they keep it with them. No, this is really a wrong approach. What you should do, there are two things you can do. You can get a printout of the syllabus, entire syllabus of your respective branch, as well as another thing you can do, my dear, you can write the syllabus on your notebook and start doing preparation to the point as stated in the syllabus. No need to study outside the syllabus. First thing is that maximum number of students I have seen in the coaching center, they usually ask question like why, how. You don't need to ask because you are not doing research here. You just need to crack the exam. For cracking exam, you need to know how to solve the question with time limit. That's it. Now, next, let's move on to the next point. That is what basic concepts. Well, basic concepts plays very important role, my dear. Now, very important thing. Another one that is what preparing notes. These two are relating with each other. So, how to clear your basic concepts? Well, you can get physical coaching, you can get online coaching, you can refer YouTube videos, but do not depend on only these three sources like free online coaching, offline coaching, as well as YouTube videos. You have to prepare your notes after studying standard books so that you can get the correct information. So best way to clear your basic concept at this age, because you can easily understand, because already maybe you have done your graduation or maybe you have done your diploma. So what you have to do, you have to prepare your notes. Do not download any notes available in the internet. That is not going to help you as much. That much going to help you if you prepare your notes by yourself. This is my personal experience and views of my students, even my teachers, those already cracked different competitive examination. Now let's move to the next, my dear, practicing questions. Well, for SSCJ, it is very important to know, my dear. That is what you are going to get only 36 seconds for solving one question. That means if we will stuck any question, maybe numerical problem maximum number of times, you are wasting your time. You have to move ahead and go ahead for solving other questions because you have tons of questions and cutoff it's about 150 out of 200. Maximum the questions you are going to get in the examination, those already may be asked in different examination. What are those examination? SSC JEE itself, ESC, get 1 mark question only, not 2 marks, and PSUs. So you have to practice question from these examination so that you can do solid preparation for SSC JEE. Next, my dear, test series. This is one of the best way to improve yourself and to crack the examination. Test series, you have to write test series. Why? Because it will have tremendous feature, right? So maybe you are saying, what are the feature? Just let me know. Let me share with you, my dear, what are the features you can get in the test series and why test series plays important role. Well, we are providing test series for all the branches. Doesn't matter which branch you belong to, maybe electrical, maybe mechanical, maybe civil. As I'm creating this video, the price is only 99 rupees. Later on, the price will definitely increase after few students, whenever few students will get enrolled. Already we got more than 500 students in our test list, right, in just few days. All right, so what we are providing a test series, let me share with you. Suppose that you are you belong to electrical engineering branch, so you have to click here and you will see all the features, right? All India ranking, real exam like interface, real time timing, right? You will see timing also, and price is only 19 rupees. You will get 70 plus test series, my dear. And who are the guys creating this test series? From IITs, MTech from IITs, those already qualified SSC. They're teaching SSC student from last 5 to 10 years. Those are top rankers. Those are well educated. Those guys are creating test series for providing you valuable test series so that you can prepare solid, my dear. Now let me show you, my dear, interface. You will see like this, and this one like examination. You will see answered, not reviewed, minus marking also. This examination, this is for, this for Coal India. That in Coal India examination we do not have minus marking, so there is no minus marking. So you will get that also, right? So all these things, and after submitting the test, you will see how much marks you got and what is your rank. All these things you will get, right? So that is why this is the best test series what I provided. You must get it. How to get it, my dear? The link is in the first comment, not in the first comment, in the description for all the test lists, electrical, mechanical, civil, for all the test lists. You will get the link in the description. So get it right now only, so that you will not lose this offer, because as you can see, the price is going to increase very soon. Now let me share with, my dear, the another thing what I want to share with you, right? Let me take you to the the checkpoints, right, we are talking about. So now, guys, very important thing, that is what, revision. Well, revision is one of the great thing what you need basically. Why? Because if you do revision, my dear, things will be in your mind. You'll have less confusion if you'll do revise very open. Now most of the students ask me, sir, tell us how to do revision and how we can able to do revision. Yeah, let me tell you that doing revision is really easy, my dear. It's not that much difficult. Now, how to do revision? That is important. My dear, there are two ways to do revision effectively. One is what? One is what, my dear? That is write and read. This is a little bit slower revision. So whenever you have studied any subject newly, then write and read. This is the best revision to keep things in your mind for forever, almost for long, not forever, for longer time. Now, after doing these things 2 times, only read and practice question and write test series, so that we are helping you with 70 test series, so that you can practice a lot, so that you can find out where you are exactly making silly mistakes. So those mistakes maybe you're going to make in the examination, you will make in the test series, so that you can improve yourself, so that you can get best from yourself. You will get best of yourself before the examination. All right, one more thing, which is really important. Where you are making silly mistakes, my dear, do one thing, right? Do one thing. That is what? Write it down on your notebook. And before writing any test series, just go through it, so that you will not repeat the same silly mistake. If you'll do so, you can do anything in your life. You can crack any examination. So guys, I hope you got all the points. Confusing topics, my dear, you need to write on your notebook, so that you can practice number of times. Thank you much for watching. See you in my next video. Like this video, definitely share with your friends. If you want me to create any topic, any video on any topic regarding SSCJ, let me know in the comment box. I am here to help you with all my experience from last 9 years. My whole team is waiting for your response. We'll try to help you in that. We are providing Hindi, we are helping Hindi students also. We can help you English, because you don't understand Hindi most probably. All right, so guys, thank you very much, and go for it. You should get the test series, right? Links, all the links for all the branches is in the first comment. If you are looking for books, you can also get the link in the first in the description, right? So all the links in the description, and you can buy using Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, debit card. Go for it. I am really happy because you have been watching this video till end. You are having one quality, that is what, patience. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. in my next video. Bye bye.